We are pleased to show you the 2016 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, cruise control, trip odometer, trip computer, clock, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.